Welcome back to Mortgage Mind. This is Martin Mesa with Rate 1 Financial, and today we're going to be starting something we're calling tips and tricks about the mortgage industry. And what it is basically we've gone through the entire Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac underwriting guidelines that 90% of the mortgages in America are based off of. And we've identified a number of different things that are relatively unknown to the average person on the street that will actually help that person, or anybody for that matter, qualify for a better loan if they know about that tip. So that's where we're going to start today. And today we're going to talk about the first tip. Okay, so tip number 1 of this series, whatever you want to call it. If you have a debt on your credit report, let's say it's a car payment of $500 a month on a car loan, let's say. Did you know that if you are on track to pay that car loan off, I'm not talking about a car lease, that's different, a car loan. Did you know that if you have about 10 payments or less left before you pay that car loan off, that they actually won't count that car payment against you? That's true. Most people don't know that. And what does that mean? Okay, so let's say you have a car payment of $500 a month. Let's say your current balance is $7,000 a month. All you gotta do is pay that balance down to about $5,000, because you'll then be on track to pay that off in about 10 months. By doing that, you will eliminate a $500 monthly debt when you're qualifying for a loan. And what does that do for you? Based on current interest rates, that would mean that your loan amount that you qualify for would be roughly about $80,000 more, because you don't have to count that $500 car payment against you. So that's a tip, okay? If you're in a situation like that and you've got some money to pay down a car loan, you might want to use that money for that versus some other thing that you were planning to use it, because eliminating that car loan just gave you another $80,000 of borrowing power on a mortgage. So that's tip 1. Stay tuned for the next one and have a great one.